Hey everyone, welcome back to my place. As Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. I'm SA. Hope that you all are fine. Okay, there is something that will be seen and heard. Okay, now this is going to be different for different energies because these are general slash, but also for everyone and timeless. So I just heard when I started recording, like seen and heard. Okay, so this is not like usual seen and heard. This is something that could be very specific voicemail or could be voice call, like, some recording of a certain person or something that is going to be important for you. Also seen because there's going to be also a message as of like someone is recording it and they're sending you. Now, this can go vice versa, as in reciprocation, but what I strongly heard was seen and heard. Um, and there was another message, but this came, like, it just shifted, like, it just replaced the message. Now, if you're new to the channel, I always say, if you're new, if you don't know, of course, hi. There are messages on me, usually, always. So today it's L, okay? Because I drew L, so I'm going to tell you this is L. And as there was also this message, which may be like continuation because I saw it prior, was like, call you later, kind of like L for later, L for anything. But here, what I'm picking right now is later. Call you later, and then someone is LOL. I mean, someone is laughing out loud because they already know that the person won't, because it's an excuse from that person's side for some, okay? Because that is the message that I heard prior, and I just I'm remembering, so I'm telling you. I'm on Instagram till date, okay? Because we never know. Nobody knows. Also, if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, UPI, GPay ID. Links are easily available. People ask where Instagram. Instagram ID is also in the description. My Gmail is also there. Thank you for love, support, and donations. I highly appreciate. Share it because I do need views, of course, because algorithm gone crazy, and people are not getting notified. So of course. Um, okay, so the person I'm talking is saying, or maybe vice versa, but I heard it's sort of like they're saying, call you later. And this person never did. Okay. And, or they always do this. Like it's a pattern, and maybe that's why you're laughing. You're like, I always am aware about what you do. So, no, I'm going to call you. Now, it's not always romantic. This could be someone who made sure or promised that I'm going to call you because this is the work we need to do. And then they are just ignoring it or avoiding it or so henceforth. Like, okay, situation. It's little like, little something unavoidable. I'm sorry for this, like I'm repeating a little because I'm not getting the word. It feels as if like it's messy, it's chaos, some kind of, and it's really not something up to the mark. Maybe this is what the energy is and trying to solve it, but this is also unavoidable. So maybe you are saying something later and then you're not doing it and you need to do it, or you thinking about it continuously and something maybe unavoidable, and then it's like that energy. Okay, later. For some of you, this may be connected with something again, um, a call that you need to attend, or someone wanting to talk, because I said that it's like messages are there, or someone wanting and someone is saying later because they don't have, like, they don't have time, or seriously they don't have time, or something is like, call because it's, let's talk because this is unavoidable situation. You understand this, like what this chaos is all about. um that's what I heard. And that is why I do also feel like maybe because the call is not happening, someone is sending message and someone is also sending voice call, like a voice message recording, so that at least one side can hear it and they know that why they want to talk to you, why you want to talk, right? um it's also connected something with book or books or magazines, okay. mm, you have the book at the bottom. Distance is there, but distance is there. It's geographical distance, okay. It's not like, now this may not be for all, but you don't see each other daily, like, there is distance. Okay, so let me see what is coming. Mm, what is coming? I right away am seeing like something is missing. Now that something is all on you, what is missing? Something is missing, that's why you are not attending the call, or something is missing and you're finding that piece of puzzle, like answer, solution to something, okay? So something is missing in your situation right now. You are trying to solve it. You got the clover. I'm going to read the message. Clover is a good sign though, but also I read it in a different way. So, Five of Clubs, Wands. The clover leaf is a bearer of good tidings, but if near clouds, it denotes great chagrin. What's that word? Okay. Um, there is something connected with happiness will follow. Can you sense when I'm reading, like I'm channeling messages today? Can you sense like there is something that is messy, like a messy, confused um, energy around? I can sense it. I can sense it as if like I really want to share it. As if like you're going this way and you suddenly stop and you think like, no, this is not the way I have to turn. Like you change something in the mid. Yes, that's the confusion. Like you're moving, okay, good to go, doing the things, but then suddenly you stop and you think, no, I don't want. Same goes for like anything that you're doing in your life right now. You're at home, you're doing something, okay, fine. But then you stop and you think, no, I don't want to do it today. Like even basic, okay, you don't. And then you change your mind. Like someone is changing their mind and thoughts. Like if someone is going in for straight hair, for example, doing this, and then suddenly they're like, no, I want to go natural. And someone is having natural, like curly wavy mix or anything like a natural texture. They're like not doing the things they do. Like same goes for you later. Maybe this is also connected, okay. And your energy is like, okay, if whatever is missing, let it be for a while, because I got a clover and I got like good tidings going ahead, things are going okay, I want to go with the flow. The kind of energy when you don't want to fight the tide, like you just feel like, no, I don't want to ask anything about anything from anyone, but I'm just going with the flow, okay. You're trying to definitely fix something. Yes, this is all also about what I feel here is sort of like a time frame, like a duration of something, okay? Um, and you are in that flow. Whatever is going, it's the duration of something, okay? So what is coming for you? Voyage, journey starting, like going with the flow, kind of. That's what I said. I'm also getting this message like as if, and this may not be for all, but someone is thinking again, rethinking again about this duration, about this situation, about this whatever uh, is happening in your life. For some, this is going to be getting involved with someone. So thinking again, even if it's about getting married soon, okay? Like maybe some plans are there, everyone's timeline is different. So they're thinking again. I don't know why they're thinking again, but they're thinking, rethinking again about this person. In front of me, there is nothing, but what I see here is an owl, okay? An owl is telling me that make a wise choice, and like they're telling me to tell you. So animal totem in like bird, owl is coming. An owl is definitely telling you to rethink about something, and you can always drop this and later. This later is also connected with that. You got this bottom energy as the bride, like someone getting, you know, ready for some big decision. So, like someone is trying to take it slow, kind of energy. There is someone either representing as a gentleman or representing like just as a like portraying as a gentleman but ain't, they're not, or someone is and giving you this offer or something kind of meeting, but you're like let me go with the flow, like you believe in a clover than certain person, you get it. 1111 is going to be the timing, yes. You have this energy of like let me take a break. Someone is going with change of mind, that's all I can tell you right now, okay. Like you're already solving something in your life with this particular card, okay, like going with the duration, going with the flow, change, decisions you're changing or making, okay. Like you have two options, you're taking second option, and then you finally sorting out and feeling like no, I should go with the first one. And it's not only about person, it's about many things in life. And then you're feeling like you need more time to sort something out, to fix. That's what I said, like a puzzle, okay? Settling something, settling some bond, contract, work, place, situation with the person, not with the person, just a situation at work, anything, but you're trying to solve it, fix it, so that you can move in a new direction, okay, or think about other things as well, because right now you're solving this particular thing like continuously, okay. So our mind when is focused on one thing, we cannot think about other things like often, like we need to solve that. It's coming. Mm. You have the okay again. If you're new to the channel, I read it in my way. Okay, so there is nothing that can stop me to fix. Like I connect on a psychic note as well. You have three of spades energy, and you have the pig. So I'm going to read the message. It's good. The pig, whether near or far, is an omen of phenomenal luck and great abundance, high honors, and all ambition attained. So, for example, if you're trying to settle something, that's what I read about, you're going to solve it. You're going to solve it, you're going to fix it, you're going to make better decisions, you're going to think wise, and you're going to rethink about some things, and then you're going to go ahead. It's also, I'm seeing the word writing, so maybe write, it has to be done, something, signature, something is done in like writing, real time. Okay, so you're just doing that, whatever is important. You're going to be having or receiving money inflow, something that you're going to either join or receive, like basically you're going to enjoy that because it's abundance is definitely here, or some kind of ambition, okay. But again, you're just solving certain kind of issue that is mentally possible, clutter up is there, or torturing you, stressing you, or giving you anxiety, and that is also connected with this particular thing. So you are going to be done with that before you make any kind of move, because in your future there's journey coming, okay. So this is two of wands. So basically you're planning, you're preparing, you're packing, you're loading, unloading is going to be done. So maybe for some of you, time frame I'm giving, for some this could be happening within 2 weeks, okay. 2 weeks you're going to go ahead, or 2 weeks you're going to be done fully, like finalization of something. Okay. The railroad forecasts a long journey. Now it's just a number written if near card 44, but I don't have such cards and I don't read it in that way. So, and a serious accident if near, or a robbery. So this is something else because I'm not laying out the cards, but just to let you know, these are the messages as well. So just take care. But it's not that it is supposed to be happening, but what is supposed to be happening is your journey that is supposed to be happening. Okay, so this is your particular card. Um, Top card is good. I do feel the energy is quite well for you. It's 10 of hearts energy and it's bouquet. Bouquet of flowers, an absolute indication of long and happy life. Okay. If children are nearby, extraordinary honors and fame. So basically, your life is heading on a good note. Happy, healthy life. Okay. So that's your card. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.